Hello, everyone, and welcome to another blog post. I have with me today Dave Buick, who is new to our team and is contributing his significant talents, I will say, to some blog writing for us. So, Dave, you are starting a three-part series. Tell us about what this is all about.
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Paul. And hi, everyone. Glad to be here and contributing to the blog series. And this latest series, which we've titled "Focus on the Right Stuff," with this first installment, "Clarity Above All Else." It goes without saying that the manufacturing environment is a real busy place, and manufacturers are constantly being inundated with new information, new problems to solve, and that can just create such a big demand on their time. And so, time's limited. And how do we maintain focus so that we're making progress on, our critical objectives within the business?
Absolutely, Dave. I always say that machine shops are the hardest business in the world to run. I hear it from other people as well. I know you used to work in a machine shop yourself, and it is a crazy, intense place. And it is true in any business, of course, but not understanding and focusing on what is most important, not necessarily most urgent, and doing that with real clarity and data is just so important. So I know people will get a lot out of this first installment, and I look forward to the next two. And thank you very much for sharing your thoughts. I know this will be, we can really up our game here at ProShop with you on the team and helping out with this, because sharing thought leadership is really important, and you do that super well. So thanks so much. And look forward to getting more from you.
Thanks so much, Paul. Happy to be here and happy to be contributing.
All right. Talk to you soon, man.
Cheers.